Can't hear you again.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Wonderful morning, wonderful afternoon, wonderful evening, and wonderful night. I'm Nahil First Wali. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. No problem.
So I can start.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Wonderful morning, wonderful afternoon, wonderful evening, and wonderful night. I'm Nahil First Wali, and I'm delighted to be here today. I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. We have a very special guest with us today, someone who has accomplished remarkable achievements in their field. Please join me in warmly welcome our esteemed guest, Mr. Hossam. Mr. Hossam, we are truly honored to have you here today. We would love to learn more about your life journey and the incredible milestones you have achieved, your expertise in electromechanical engineering, renewable energy, and your involvement with the Astro Access team are truly commendable. So, thank you for joining us today. Welcome,
Hello.
Mr. Hosam. How are you?
Hello. It's my pleasure to be with you here today and to do this interview. Uh, Me, as Hossam Khattab, am an electrical engineering student at the Faculty of Engineering at Ain Shams University, and also I got a fully funded scholarship from USAID. My major at the faculty is energy and renewable energy, which includes studying both electrical and the mechanical field.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing. So, my first question is that as the first Arabian, sorry, and Egyptian person to join the Astro Access team, could you share your experience and what it means to you to be part of an international team in the field of space?
Of course, my joining to the Astro Access team, indeed I joined the team this year. I am, as you said, the first Arabian and Egyptian person to join the team. The team mission is to facilitate and to provide trips on a plan in it is placed in America to make the people have the experience or and trying the zero gravity experience like being in the space, and this is considered as the first step to do or to practice on till providing the real life journey to the space. And also we focused especially on on the disabilities. We give them a highly percentage to try this experience.
All right. So my now let's move on to the next question. So my next question is that you mentioned that you have worked on many projects related to energy and renewable energy engineering. Can you highlight one project that you are particularly proud of and explain its significance?
Actually, there are more than one project, but I will highlight the most important one, which was or which is ASU One Team. This is a team in my college specialized in making both the electrical and the mechanical part of the wind turbines. We are working really on three projects. The first one is called 1 kilo. Then the second is called 5 kilo, and also we have a 10 kilo project already under working. The last year we have participated at international company which held in the Delft University at Holland, and Alhamdulillah we got the first place in the and got the turbine which most generate the highest efficiency rate of power. And already we have also participated this year in the same competition, and the competition is already done, and now we are waiting for the results to come out.
All right. So, first of all, congratulations on receiving the fully funded scholarship from USAID. How has this scholarship opportunity impacted your educational journey and career aspirations?
Um, this scholarship, which is USAID, it started at the first year of college after ثانوية عامة. It makes me join or have the experience of joining the energy and renewable energy engineering major at the Faculty of Engineering and Shams University. It gives us many internships and practice on not just in the technical and in the working life, and they also provide us with courses needed to make our communication skills dealing with others on the working life more in or having a high level. Uh, Already we are going to have a camp, summer camp tomorrow, and it will long for a month. It is a closed camp. We will take many programs like internship, internships in the technical working life, or also entrepreneurship and leadership programs.
All right, great. So, how do you see the intersection between the fields of energy, renewable energy, engineering, and space explorations? Are there any specific applications or technologies that you find interesting in this regard?
Yes. Um, let's speak about that in a somehow technical way. Like we can say, according to the second law of thermodynamics, that we can't get all the energy of the mother source of energy out or in the shape or on the kind we need. So if we provide a rocket to get to the space or as the satellites we are seeing today, if they are working with usual يعني kind of energy, it will be empty after or the batteries will be empty after a while, and it will not long for يعني for a life. So we are now working on some projects to make wireless energy transfer from the sun light or solar energy in the space to be wireless transferred to the system or the energy system found in the satellites and in the rockets. Also, if it is being or taking more steps to be more advanced in this project, we could make this energy maybe transferred to our earth, and it will be benefit much much more than being having or having solar cells here in the earth. It will be more clearer, no disturbance in the photons, or no disturbance in the ray to reach the solar cells.
All right, thank you for sharing. So, my next question is that given your experience and expertise in the energy and renewable energy engineering field, what do you believe are the most pressing challenges and opportunities in sustainable energy development both on Earth and potentially
May you try again? There was a lag in the internet.
Alright, so give your experience and expertise in the energy and renewable energy engineering field. What do you believe are the most pressing challenges and opportunities in sustainable energy development, both on Earth and potentially in space?
It depends really. يعني actually it depends on the kind of the renewable energy we are working. So we face many textiles or some things which make or handle our progress. So like if we are working in the wind energy, so when we have to be at the highest, as we have here in Egypt, the highest wind speed. And if we are speaking about the solar energy, we face the tackles of the dust, maybe the clouds. So it depends on what kind of energy we are working on and is specialized in.
Okay, so, thank you for sharing your thoughts. Have you had any international collaborations or experiences working with individuals from different culture backgrounds? If so, how has this shaped your perspective and approach to your work?
I will share with you one of my latest volunteering work, which was in the international conference, which was COP27. I was there as a leader volunteer with the Ministry of the Foreign Affairs. I was there responsible for green zone and the blue zone on the meeting rooms of the big sponsors and the VIPs. I was I was responsible about all the things of their meeting rooms and also of their packages. I was also responsible about the total setting of the meeting room of the Ministry of Finance, and at some days I put the plan of the speech of the ministry, or the minister of the higher education there. Also, I have given a speech and invited to attend the meeting of the 12 person from American Congress and the American ambassador in Egypt. I speak to them about our project, about our latest project related to the energy and renewable energy. And actually, they were really happy by listening such great projects. And of course, some of these projects have a prototype already, and some other are still under research.
Alright, thank you for sharing. So, my next question is that what are your long term goals or aspirations within the field of energy, engineering, and space explorations? Are there any specific projects or missions you hope to be part of in the future?
Yes, I'm working really in two projects. One One of them is we can't say that we have a visual prototype, but actually we are working on that now, and which is related to the wave energy by generating green renewable energy from the wave energy as it is يعني as the wave energy is renewable, no emission of carbon, and it will and its capacity could generate a power which can operate a country. And the other one is to transfer, and this is the one which is under the research, is to transfer the energy wirelessly from the space to the earth.
Okay, that's great. So, being a part of Astro Axis team and having an interest in the field of space, how do you envision the role of renewable energy in space explorations and colonizations efforts?
Renewable energy, as I have said, working on the solar system or solar energy projects, it will help us if a rocket or a space plan have fired or launched to the space. It also it of course will need a fuel, and it is as usual used the dry fuel for the spacecrafts and the rockets. Now we are searching or working on the researches of this new kind or new transfer of solar energy to this plant or rocket. Um, it will provide us with many advantages like minimizing the weight of the rocket, which make a very big obstacle in front of us, and something on this track.
Okay. Could you share any insights or experiences you gained from your international collaboration with the Astraxis team? How has working with a diverse group of individuals influenced your approach to problem solving and innovation in the field of space exploration?
Actually, my joining to the Astro Access team is really a chance or a wonderful chance because in the team I have many colleges or many friends working with from America, and we can say also from Sydney, from Australia. So I am working with a team that include many people from different countries all over the world, from the north and south. It is a good opportunity for me to make this connection. We think when we sing together, we reach many new ideas as and this is because of the different cultures. So when we mix them and think together, we try to get the most advantage or the most beautiful idea to start applying and hit in the next step.
Alright, thank you for sharing. So, could you tell us about a significant challenge you face in your life and how you overcome it?
One of my challenges that I faced before entering the college, I was like put in front of the two choices to joining the military technical college or joining the Ain Shams University. I have passed many. I have passed many obstacles or challenges in the military life, uh, but unfortunately, at the end, I was put on the waiting list, and this is didn't. يعني, I take it easy and didn't make it affect on my يعني, mental health or making disadvantage of thinking badly, thinking the life is going on me or something like that. No, I take it easy and يعني getting happy with getting this wonderful scholarship and try working and make my best to prove that I could do what I dream of in either way يعني I could do and reach my goals by taking any way. It is just depend on the your working, your thinking, your positive thinking, and that's it.
Alright. So, how do you manage your time, prioritize tasks when you have multiple commitments or projects?
Um, I think this depend on the personality of the people, or the person. Each one have his own way of thinking. But me, I start like saying an idiom, eating the frog first, which mean this idiom is used to say that I like to do the difficult task in the first. Because this makes me getting the easier in the next, so I didn't get bored, and also I get benefited as much as I could. Also, I make my tasks in prioritizing, so I could put the most important one in the first, then the next one in the important in the second. So, and that's it. And also it depends to the time, يعني if I have a deadline with the priority of the important one, I could make them together to be done in the first. If something is having more time, so I could make it in the next or the third step, uh, because I still have some time.
Alright, so what strategies do you see to enhance your problem solving abilities and think creatively?
I think putting yourself under stress, not this is not bad at all time, because this makes you think faster, more creative and critical, to put your choices in front of yourself, and you have to make a deal now. You have to get with the idea, start working on it. So it makes this kind of stress makes you يعني solving more problems as much as you could, and still in the life journey you will be in front of many stresses from different kinds, so you should cope with all of them and not يعني didn't give up. You should not give up at any time. You should continue your journey because you have already started it.
Okay, so could you share a memorable experience or achievement that has had a profound impact on you?
uh, there was a time that I was put in يعني some kind of stress to choose my team in a few hours, and also decide or choose an idea to working in faster, and and also to assign or present its business plan in the next day. So the time was very limited. This kind of stress was very hard, but I really يعني I cope with it, and I chose my team. We tried to think as come as we could, and already we reached the idea. And this team is called Power Exporters, and we have presented our project at Eureka at AUC, is American University in Egypt. Our team was selected to present its was selected to present our idea there. So we are doing great job now, and this is also this is can be or we can say that this is one of the advantages of this kind of stress.
Alright. So, we have come to the end of our insightful conversation with Mr. Hossam, a true inspiration in the field of mechanical engineering, renewable energy, and space exploration. Mr.
Thank you.
Hossam, we are very grateful for knowledge and experience you have shared with us today. Your groundbreaking achievements, including being the first Arabian and Egyptian person to join the AstroAxis team and receiving a fully funded scholarship from USAID, are truly remarkable. Your passion for sustainable energy development and your contributes to the field of renewable energy engineering are invaluable. We are very confident that your expertise and dedication will continue to make a significant impact in
Yes.
creating a more sustainable effect in future. On behalf of everyone here, I would like to extend our sincere appreciation for taking the time to join us today. Your story and accomplishments serve as an inspiration to aspiring engineers and researchers around the world.
Thank
So,
you. It was
thank you
my
so
pleasure.
much. We wish you continue success in all your future endeavors and hope to witness your contributes in the field of energy and explore and space exploration. Thank you so much once again, Mr. Hodam,
Thank you.
and thank you so much for being us today. Thank you so much, Allah Hafiz. Bye.